There arises claims that because Suresh Gopi met Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, Rajiv Chandrasekharan met Amit Shah ji, and Anup Antony and Sean George met Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh, the prosecution stood a stand that the judicial custody of the nuns are not needed at all, which led their release. There is no chance for taking such a stand by the above said persons because they know interference with the administration of justice is unlawful, and if they do so, they are not fit enough to be in that position. The principle behind the administration of criminal justice is that fiat justitia ruat caelum. Let the heaven falls, but justice shall be done. This is the principle. So, the Prime Minister, the Home Minister, and the Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh did not have interfered with the administration of justice, that is, the prosecution against the nuns which is taking place in the judicial forum.